Thanks for coming over.
Kev here?
No, he's giving Robert some space.
Oh, what's happened?
He's had some bad news. He's upset.
Wanted to see you. Needed you.
Come here. Hey. Come on, what's wrong?
This guy's been murdered in prison by someone who wanted to do the same to me. And he would have done if Kev hadn't stopped him. Gosh, I thought when I walked out of those gates, I thought I'd just leave all that behind.
Yeah, I get it. But he's not getting out anytime soon, is he? And he's miles away from you. And sometimes that distance, it helps you get your head together and move on.
Tell him, Robert.
I wasn't on the Isle of Wight. I got moved back.
Back where?
Houghton. There's so much I haven't told you about my time there that'll help you understand. Why me and Kev are so close. How he saved my life. This time I told you everything.